Psychological effects. Memory. 3. Serial position effect. Serial position effect is that a person tends to recall the first and last items in a series best, and the middle item is the worst. When asked to recall a list of items in any order, free recall, people tend to start recalling from the end of the list, recalling those items best, aka recency effect. Among earlier list items, the first few items are recalled more frequently than the middle items, aka primacy effect. Primacy effect. One suggested reason for the primacy effect is that initially presented items are most efficiently stored in long-term memory, because there is more processing volume dedicated to them. The first list item can be rehearsed by itself. The second must be rehearsed with the first. The third must be rehearsed with the first and second, and so on. The primacy effect is reduced when items are presented quickly, while intensified when rendered slowly. These are the factors that reduce and enhance the processing of each item and store it permanently. Additionally, longer presentation lists have been found to reduce primacy effects. Recency effect. One theoretical reason for the recency effect is that these items are still present in working memory when recall is solicited. Items that benefited neither, that is, intermediate items, were recalled the worst.
Another explanation for the recency effect has to do with the temporal context. If the test is performed immediately after the recitation, the current temporal context can be used as a retrieval cue,
which will predict more recent items than items studied in a different temporal context, that is, items earlier in the list, has a higher probability of recall. The recency effect is reduced when given an interfering task. The intervention task involved working memory as an interfering activity. If the duration exceeds 15 to 30 seconds, the recency effect can be cancelled. People with amnesia who are less able to form permanent long-term memories do not exhibit primacy effects, but it does show a recency effect if recalled immediately after learning. People with Alzheimer's show a reduced primacy effect, but no recency effect in recall.